Cheongnyeon Salt elevates Korean seasoning with naturally aged, low-sodium salt for a healthier modern lifestyle. Now, discover 3 key strengths of Cheongnyeon Salt. Strength 1. Trusted Korean salt begins with our commitment to natural ingredients and authentic production. Strength 2. Premium Korean garlic. One of the world's top health foods is carefully blended to deliver natural flavor and functional benefits. Mineral-rich glasswort known as the ginseng of the sea adds balanced nutrition and depth to Cheongnyeon salt. Strength 3. Designed for versatile everyday use, Cheongnyeon bamboo salt supports cooking, oral care, beauty routines, and wellness. Roasted bamboo salt is purified at over 850 degrees for clean, premium quality. Cheongnyeon bamboo salt is roasted inside real bamboo barrels at over 850 degrees to remove impurities and deliver clean mineral purity. Garlic-infused natural crystal salt delivers premium flavor crafted directly by Cheongnyeon Salt. High-temperature baking enhances purity, reduces off flavors, and boosts essential minerals. The Cheongnyeon Salt lineup represents authentic Korean seasoning made through controlled in-house production. Cheongnyeon Salt completes its lineup with authentic bamboo and Hamcho salts rooted in Korean tradition. Trusted by customers and leading platforms across Korea. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us